Welcome. This presentation with the Employees Retirement System, or ERS as we are commonly known as, is designed to provide general information on the three retirement plans: contributory, non-contributory, and hybrid. We will be covering membership service, pension calculations, retirement options, and other retirement information for all members. As this presentation is previously recorded and not live, should any questions arise, please contact our office for assistance after this presentation by phone or email. Please note that this presentation is only a summary, and members should contact the ERS offices directly on their retirement information. Some of the topics to be covered in today's presentation include the following: eligibility requirements for the different types of retirement, the pension formula and how membership service credit and average final compensation will be used in that formula, how your unused sick leave will factor in when you retire, option features, post-retirement increases, active death benefits, the benefit calculator, how to file your retirement application, and how to contact our office. Let's review the eligibility requirements to retire. In 2012, Act 163 created a new benefit structure for the system to ensure that a lifetime pension could be provided to all members. A tier structure was created. Tier 1 requirements applies to all members hired before July 1st, 2012, and Tier 2 applies to members who started on or after July 1st, 2012, which includes returning non-vested hybrid members. Here's the Tier 1 requirements for hybrid and non-contributory plan members. First, for a service retirement. A hybrid member can retire at age 62 with 5 years of service or at age 55 with 30 years of service. For a non-contributory plan member, they qualify at age 62 with 10 years of service or at age 55 with 30 years of service. Next, to qualify for an early retirement. Both hybrid and non-contributory plan members can retire at age 55 with 20 years of service. There is an age reduction calculated at 5% for each year under age 62 for a hybrid plan member and 6% for each year under age 62 for a non-contributory plan member. Please note, an age reduction with an early retirement is a lifetime reduction. Here's the Tier 1 requirements for contributory plan members, which includes the designated categories like police officers and firefighters. Tier 1 contributory plan members are eligible to retire at age 55 with 5 years of service. An early retirement for general contributory plan members is at any age with 25 years of service. An age reduction will be assessed below age 55. For designated categories, these members may retire at any age with 25 years of service in the designated category. Now let's cover the Tier 2 eligibility requirements for members hired after June 30th, 2012. The Tier 2 includes only hybrid and contributory plan members. For a service retirement, a hybrid member can retire at age 65 with 10 years of service or age 60 with 30 years of service. A contributory plan member can retire at age 60 with 10 years of service. A contributory plan member in a designated category can retire at age 55 with 25 years of service or age 60 with 10 years of service. To qualify for an early retirement, a hybrid plan member in the Tier 2 structure can retire at age 55 with 20 years of service. There is a 5% age reduction that will be assessed for each year under age 65. For our contributory and designated contributory plan members, they may also retire under the early retirement at age 55 with 25 years of service. There will be a graduated age reduction for each year under age 60. Retirement contributions. This matrix illustrates the mandatory retirement deductions from salary for both Tiers 1 and 2. For our hybrid Tier 1 members, 6% is deducted from salary. For hybrid Tier 2 members, 8% is deducted from salary. There are no contributions required for members in the non-contributory plan. For a contributory Tier 1 member, 7.8% is deducted from salary. Besides regular service retirement, the ERS offers disability retirements, ordinary and service-connected. For ordinary disability retirement, a member must have at least 10 years of service with no age requirements. The ERS wants to stress that the member must be an active member on the payroll in order to file the ordinary disability application. For service-connected disability, this applies to members who are injured on the job to the extent that the member is unable to work. There is no age or service requirement for this disability retirement. In either of these disability applications, the member should contact the ERS immediately so we can best advise the member. A member may also qualify for a deferred retirement, where a member terminates from service and plans to retire at a future date. Should you consider leaving state or county service, please contact our office before you terminate your position so you can make a wise retirement decision. The ERS is a defined benefit plan, which means your pension will be based on your years of service and salary. Let's review how your years of service will be earned. You will earn 1 month of credit for each month you are working at least 15 calendar days, not work days. For the month of February, it will be at least 14 days. For example, if you started working on March 24th, you would not receive credit for the month of March, as you would not have worked at least 15 days. You would receive credit beginning the month of April. Additional service. In addition to your current earned membership service, the following authorized leaves provides additional membership service: industrial injury leaves, professional improvement or educational leaves, previous membership service, military service, or maternity leaves prior to July 1st, 1973. For previous membership service, this would potentially apply if you were previously employed in an ERS-eligible position with the state or the city and county and terminated, and later returned to service. Or if you served full-time on active military duty, you would be eligible to apply for additional service credit towards your total membership service. In summary, should you have any additional service to claim, please contact our office for further information. We had just discussed how service credit is determined and the additional service that you may acquire for your total membership service, which is a factor used to calculate your pension. As the ERS is a defined benefit plan, the more service you earn, the higher your pension. You may visit our website that provides your membership service and retirement account balance. Note that there may be a lag in posting from the ERS to the website. Please note your membership date, which is the date the ERS started counting your membership service. Contact the ERS if you had service prior to the membership date indicated on our website, as you may be eligible for additional membership service. Another factor used in the formula to determine your retirement pension benefit is average final compensation, AFC. ERS reviews your salary history and uses either the 3 or 5 highest paid years based on your retirement plan tier structure. So what exactly is a year for this AFC calculation? For ERS purposes, 1 year is 12 creditable consecutive months. So it does not have to be the last 3 or 5 years of your employment. It does not have to be a fiscal or calendar year, nor does it have to be an academic year for teachers. The 12 consecutive month period may be from March 2011 to February 2012, or October 2009 to September 2010, for example. This AFC pickup maximizes pension calculations for the member. For the High 3 AFC, your membership date must be after January 1st, 1971, and prior to July 1st, 2012. The salaries used would include overtime and bonuses. For members who started prior to January 1st, 1971, a comparison of the High 3 and High 5 AFC, which includes vacation payment, will be calculated to determine the best AFC for our member. For those with membership dates after June 30th, 2012, the High 5 AFC is calculated on only base pay salaries, excluding any overtime or bonuses. This slide illustrates the pension formula to calculate the maximum allowance for the retirement plans and tiers. The maximum allowance calculation is the benefit percentage times years of service times average final compensation. For a hybrid Tier 1 member, the benefit percentage is 2%. A hybrid Tier 2 member, the benefit percentage is 1.75%. For a non-contributory plan member, the benefit percentage is 1.25%, and for a contributory plan member, the benefit percentage is 2%. One of the additional benefits that impact your pension is the unused sick leave. You may be entitled to additional service credit provided you 1. Leave state or county service in good standing, and 2. Attain a minimum of 60 unused sick leave days. The leaving employment in good standing is determined by your employer, not the ERS. Please note, your unused sick leave credit is added to your years of service for retirement pension calculations after you retire and cannot be used to fulfill any eligibility requirements for retirement. Your unused sick leave credits will increase your pension, which we will illustrate in the next slides. Your employer reports your unused sick leave hours after you retire. Therefore, it will not be used in your estimated pension upon your retirement. Here's an example of the unused sick leave calculation. Unused sick leave hours divided by 8 hours divided by 20 days equals additional service credit. Your employer will report the unused balance in hours or days. In this example, the total number of unused sick leave is 10.5 months, or 11 months, since the ERS would be able to round up any balance of 10 days, or 0.5 or more. This will give an additional month of service credit. Retirement options. A retirement option must be selected upon your retirement. Depending on your retirement plan, there will be a number of options available, which includes joint survivor plans and refund plans for hybrid and contributory plan members only. The next slides will provide a summary on the general features of the retirement options. Regardless of the option selected, the pension is payable for a retiree's lifetime. The ERS will provide your projected estimated pension based on your retirement date before your counseling session with an ERS representative. All plans, hybrid, non-contributory, and contributory, have the maximum allowance option. This option provides the highest monthly pension benefit for the retiree's lifetime. There is no beneficiary lifetime monthly pension. All plans, hybrid, non-contributory, and contributory, have a 50% or 100% joint survivor option where your one designated beneficiary will continue to receive your pension upon your passing. There will be a reduction to the retiree's lifetime pension amount in order to provide a lifetime monthly pension to one beneficiary. No changes to a beneficiary is allowed after the retirement date, even if the marital status changes or if the beneficiary dies. There is a pop-up feature to the retiree if the beneficiary predeceases the retiree. All plans, hybrid, non-contributory, and contributory, have some type of temporary coverage for your beneficiary upon your passing. These options provide a beneficiary with a temporary monthly pension for a limited time upon the retiree's death. There is a reduced retiree lifetime monthly pension with these options. Beneficiary changes are allowed after the retirement date, and the pension is still paid to a retiree for their lifetime, even if the temporary coverage period ends. Hybrid and contributory plan members who retire with a minimum of 10 years of service may select a partial or full refund of their contributions. The monthly pension benefit will be actuarially reduced. Joint survivor plans are also available with partial refund options. The refund features allow the retiree to invest their retirement contributions to supplement their reduced pension. For detailed information on the specific retirement options available for each retirement plan, please visit the ERS website at ers.ehawaii.gov. You may also contact our office. Another benefit to your pension is the post-retirement increase, which begins on July 1st of the following year of your retirement. For all retirees this year, their post-retirement increase will start next July 1st. For example, all December retirees will receive their post-retirement increase in 6 months. The percentage of your post-retirement increase will depend on your membership date with the ERS. Members joining prior to July 1st, 2012 will receive a 2.5% increase. For those joining on or after July 1st, 2012, your increase will be 1.5%. These increases are calculated from your base retirement pension. As a result, the post-retirement increase is set for your lifetime based on your retirement pension. It's a cumulative increase with no ceiling and not compounded. Our next slides illustrates the calculation. Here's the post-retirement increase formula. In this example, you receive a base pension of $1,000. As a member prior to July 1st, 2012, your increase is 2.5%. Therefore, you will receive an additional $25 per month beginning July 1st, the following calendar year after you retire. You will continue to receive another $25 per month every July 1st thereafter. And remember, this amount is not compounded. It is cumulative with no ceiling. Therefore, the higher your base pension established with your total membership service and AFC, the higher your lifetime post-retirement increase will be. Active in-service death benefits. The ERS wants to inform you that death benefits are available to your beneficiary or beneficiaries. As an active member still working or in service, your beneficiary may be entitled to ordinary or accidental death benefits. For hybrid and contributory members, when you were first hired, you were required to designate a beneficiary or beneficiaries on the Form 1A. This is very important for the Form 1A to be completed, as the ERS will pay death benefits to your designated beneficiary should death occur as an active member, since you have been contributing to the system. By law, the designation becomes null and void if the designated beneficiary dies, the marital status changes from single to married, the member is divorced from the beneficiary, or the member enters or terminates a reciprocal beneficiary relationship. That is why it's so critical that the member's beneficiary designation on the Form 1A is to be kept up to date. For non-contributory plan members with a minimum of 10 years of service and in service, the beneficiary designation is set by law. Active death benefits are payable to the surviving spouse or reciprocal beneficiary and/or dependent children under age 18. There are no death benefits for an active member who is single. When you file your retirement application, at this time you must designate a beneficiary for the option selected. Now that we have covered the general information for you, The next question on your mind as you prepare for retirement is, how much will I receive for my pension amount? Our benefit calculator is a tool that you can use to get estimated calculations for the pension option amounts. We encourage you to use our benefit calculator. The calculator can provide you with projected pension amounts for retiring this year, next year, or 2 to 3 years from now. The best part is that you can calculate as many different retirement date scenarios as you want. As a result of using the benefit calculator, you will get a summary of the option features. This will provide you with a ballpark pension amount so that you can decide whether to retire or perhaps work longer. For more information regarding our website or the benefit calculator, please review our website information module. Filing for retirement. Once you have decided on your retirement date, you are responsible to ensure that your retirement application forms are submitted within the deadlines established. There are only 13 retirement dates, the first day of each month and December 31st. Keep in mind that applications must be filed within 150 days, but not later than 30 days before your retirement date. For example, if today is March 15, you are eligible to file for the following retirement dates within the 150-day filing requirement: May 1st, June 1st, July 1st, August 1st, and September 1st. However, you would not be able to file for April 1st, as that retirement date is less than 30 days from March 15. Ready to retire? You may contact our offices regarding your retirement application, forms, and the application filing process. Again, your retirement application must be filed within 150 days and not later than 30 days before your retirement date. Our offices are open so you can drop off forms with minimal in-person contact due to the COVID situation. Also, due to coronavirus concerns, counseling is being done by phone. Retirement planning is an important phase which will require you to answer questions on your family needs, financial requirements, and your activities after you retire. Retirement should be one of the happiest times in your life. Should you consider leaving state or county service, please contact our office before you terminate your position so you can make a wise retirement decision. Our office hours are from 7:45 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. We are closed on holidays. On Oahu, we are located at the City Financial Tower on Merchant Street. This information can also be found on our website. We also have staff on Hawaii Island, Kauai, and Maui that can assist you with your retirement needs. You may also contact the ERS via our email address, which is on our website. Please access our ERS website at ers.ehawaii.gov for forms, brochures, and information to assist with your retirement planning. We hope this information has been helpful with your dedicated service with the state or county as you work towards retirement. Thank you for your attention. Mahalo.